How to change country and region on Xbox PC app. To change your country or region on the Xbox PC app, you need to update your Windows region settings and Microsoft account local. This affects your Xbox services store availability and billing. So the first option that you have is to change region in Windows settings. So open your Windows settings. And then once you're on your settings, go ahead and head over into the time and language tab. And then from here, go ahead and select language and region. And then into this section, go ahead and select your country or region under the region tab. So you'll be able to find it here. So go ahead and select the region where you want to set this. So select your desired country from the drop down and restart your PC to apply the changes. Now, another way for you to change your country and region on Xbox PC app is to go ahead and open a browser and then go ahead and open Microsoft. And then sign into your Microsoft account and then click on this profile icon at the top right of Microsoft.com and then select My Microsoft account. And that will take you to your settings. So you need to confirm signing in first before you can proceed on using your settings. So on your settings, head over into the Your Info tab. And then on this section, go ahead and click on Country or Region. And then in here, you can go ahead and click on the current region that you're in, and then select the region where you want to set your account to. So take note that funds in your Microsoft account won't transfer between regions, so spend any remaining balance before switching regions. And that is how you can basically change country and region on Xbox PC app.